Boom shakalaka as Bitcoin sentiment gets extremely bearish. Could we be on the verge of a massive green candle? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including could we be in for a massive surprise giant green candle in the works? Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed 50, neutral, pretty much the past week going almost sideways. The overall market up 1.5% today. As you can see, the past 7 days was sideways. We did just have a large jump today. Bitcoin at 27,297, Ethereum at 1854, BNB at 313, XRP 46 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 88 cents, and Solana $19.80. And the top coins today based on AI would be Cosmos Hub, Lido DAO, Phantom, Vault Inu, and IDEX. And you can check out Tokenmetrics for yourself. There is a link down in the description for a free trial. Now, Bitcoin, after finding support at $27,000, has broken up, but right now, just a little bit higher. We are within a double wedge right here. We have a wedge with the top of this downtrend and the 100-day moving average. We also have a wedge of the 50-day moving average and 100-day moving average. Bitcoin sitting between both of those wedges at the moment. Now, sentiment has turned bearish. It's no surprise we would start getting bearish on Bitcoin at the absolute worst time. Behold, a perfect retest of the top of the MA ribbon's previous catalyst for massive bull rallies. While fear of lower prices and a recession ramp up, CryptoCon is more bullish than ever. We can see when Bitcoin retests this right here, the MA ribbons, generally it tends to do very, very well. Powerful bull runs follow. As a matter of fact, right now there's absolutely no reason to panic as long as the 21 EMA in the monthly chart holds, which it's doing at the moment. Sooner or later, Bitcoin will at least touch the upper end of this megaphone. Right now, roughly at $50,000. Has always been this way in previous cycles. There's a correlation between Bitcoin and the US 20-year government bond yields. US 20 has been moving in range for almost half a year. When it's up, Bitcoin moves sideways. When it's down, Bitcoin moves up. You can see this pattern playing out right here. Up, sideways, down, Bitcoin goes up. And we are just leaving this trend of it going up with Bitcoin going sideways. So as it goes down, reaching this resistance level where it has been previously, that would send it down. That would send Bitcoin price up. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has always given a sign on the chart before a major rally. Wedge and flags, simply unstoppable. We have the wedge and flags. Previous times, breaking out of this one, each time historically, we have had a breakout and a massive rally for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, at the moment, the blue line down here, the EMA is in the positive area, breaking into the positive area. And when that happens, the background is colored in green. Now, in 2015, when this happened, price went up 5,000%. In 2019, when this happened, price went up 200% in a few weeks. Right now, it is crossing. Could we have the massive signal once again? You have to remember, fair value log of Bitcoin. And when it's underneath these bands, that is great accumulation territory. When it's over these bands, that is great sell territory. Right now, we are still deep underneath the bands, making it great accumulation territory for the upcoming bull run. Because long term, like it or not, we have a bit of a squeeze coming in here, and then eventually we go up and near the tops and the targets. Well, we have that squeeze going on, potentially going up towards the first targets, close to $100,000. At some point, the price of Bitcoin will catch up with the fundamentals. We see the exchange balance increasing. We see the addresses with balance greater than 1 increasing. We see the long-term holder supply increasing. We see the supply last active 1+ years ago increasing, and we see the price going sideways. This doesn't add up. Supply and demand, eventually, price will catch up with fundamentals. Would this surprise you? We may not be far from a giant green candle like this. I mean, look at the size of this one. It's not far off from what happened from 15 to 22 or from 20 to almost 28. This candle is just a little bit larger, but you have to see, we've been going sideways for quite a while. We are within a wedge, within another wedge, and generally, when wedges break out, they make big moves. Now, it could break down, but it could just as likely break up, and if it does, well, wouldn't you want to not be on the wrong side of that? So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.